Distinguished Mr. Benjamin, Minister of the Royal Thai Embassy, and distinguished Professor Cicero, Permanent Secretary of MHESI of Thailand. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's really an honor to be invited to speak on the opening of the Thailand STI and Higher Education Day 2021 here on behalf of the China-ASEAN Technology Transfer Center and the Science and Technology Department of Guangxi, Zhuang Autonomous Region. I would like to congratulate on the grand opening of the Education Day, and also I would like to thank the participation of all the online and offline guests and speakers. In recent years, with the support of Thailand and the Chinese governments, we have entered into a mechanism to develop bilateral science and technology collaboration, visits and exchange to hold different type of activities and platforms in science and technology transfer, and also we have entered into a program of cultivation of young talents and elites. And we have entered into a very sound collaboration and partnership in science and technology innovation. In terms of CATTC, medicine and medical devices, and environmental protection, agriculture, and bioscience, we have entered into a very good partnership. And the China-ASEAN collaboration has become a major platform, has become a great example for the collaboration between China and Thailand, and also between the different levels of Thailand and China. Next, I would like to share with you some of the good cases between us, and also the future collaboration between us, the future potential between us. The first one is to construct a regional development mechanism and to counter to deal with the common challenges with the sudden COVID pandemic, and we have the Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region has fight against the COVID pandemic campaign. And also we have initiated a program to introduce the pandemic fighting awareness, education, public information, and also related donation mechanisms or between China and ASEAN countries. And also together with our foreign partners, we have developed a joint research and development has made great progress in that perspective. Some of our results has been published successfully on the on international media publications and etc. And also with the support of both China and ASEAN countries and Thailand, Guangxi has received great support from our foreign partners. And during this pandemic period, Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region has provided as much support as we can to Thailand. So in this very critical period of time, we have our activities or our mutual support are a great example for the long-term friendship between China and Thailand. So with the collaboration in science and technology support, research and development, we have successfully transferred science and technology results and also landed science and technology projects. And with the support of China and Thailand authorities and partners, we have entered into 25 collaboration projects with a total collaboration volume of over 30 million, covering traditional medicine and agriculture, technology transfer services, and ICT, and etc. In 2018, the Grocery or the Vegetable Research Institute of Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region has entered into partnership with related parties in Thailand, and this kind of a collaboration has created us some new breakthrough and inventions that to create us a better vegetable a species that is more vibrant and that is more that shows better growth potential. So I believe this is a very great example between us for enhancing the agriculture, species, and related areas. And also with Tsinghua University and other university, we have established a joint laboratory to study on the herbal medicine or traditional medicine. And this is the first ever in the history to establish a database on the herbal medicines or traditional medicines between China and Thailand. We have also done a comprehensive exploration in terms of prescription and formulation and herbal medicine treatment, processing standard, etc. And also in dating back to September 2014, witnessed by two ministers of the Ministry of Science and Technology, China-ASEAN Technology Transfer Center has entered into a collaboration with the Thai parties on the second session of China-ASEAN Technology Exhibition. So that MOU actually is a represent that we have established the liaison office between China and Thailand in science and technology transfer, and also the STI. A minister of Thailand has participated in the China-ASEAN Technology Transfer and Innovations conference for several years in a row. And we have also extensive communication between universities and companies and public sectors to strengthen the collaboration between two countries in different aspects. By the end of May last year, we have organized over 30 sessions for technology transfer from in the field of smart agriculture, smart electronics manufacturing, and intelligent manufacturing, and etc. So that serve as a foundation for the transfer of a batch of excellent projects and projects with potentials. And also the Chinese Academy of Sciences Technology Transfers office in Bangkok and related parties has set up a offshore incubation and acceleration entity in Bangkok. So that oversee office for technology transfer will serve as a technology trading or exchange center, and to further promote technology transfer between two countries, and to create a in-depth partnership between the two countries in this related area. And recently, we also join hands with the Thai parties to initiate a 30-day event in terms of medical devices and biomedicine and healthcare-related fields. We have invited Chinese corporates in related areas and the Thailand parties in related areas to for online communication and exchange and matchmaking. So this is a very critical event or a moment for us to have this kind of online communication in this very critical period of COVID pandemic. And also another point is about the youth or young talent education. China has supported Thailand in a great with great effort to introduce more of the young spirits or young scientists or experts from Thailand to China, and Chinese bodies receive the participation of the young talents from Thailand starting from 2017. We have 7 Thai experts to visit Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region for a short period of exchange. And they are from the field of ICT and agriculture, biomedicine, and etc. And we also have 5 sessions of technology manager between China and Thailand, and also different sessions specifically on technology aspects. And we have support the training of over 30 talents from Thai technology fields and enhance the exchange and enhance the friendship between China and Thailand in Thailand cultivation and education.
And we have formed a true sense of friendships between China and Thailand. The relations between China and Thailand goes a long way, and after the signage of the bilateral strategic partnerships agreements, we will enjoy more opportunities of the bilateral relations in the future. So I call for the following categories to continue to be deepened. The first one, we want to jointly push China-ASEAN Technology Transfer Center and CATTC development together. We will set up special task force and joint task force to adopt the principle of extensive consultation and share building and share benefits to conduct road shows, technical training sessions, and technology exchange platforms. We will join hands with China's Academy of Science and Technology and also based on the platform of CATTC to cast longer shadows in this region. We will transfer our China's technology to other ASEAN countries, including Thailand. In the meantime, we will push forward technology transfer from Thailand and other ASEAN countries to China to make sure it is a two-way street between China and other ASEAN countries. Secondly, we will continue to work seamlessly with Thailand to push forward the China-Thailand collaborations. We will be flexible and give full play to the bilateral technology transfer mechanisms to boost the demand for technology transfer, focus on specific industry to share our resource and to make up for the shortcomings of both parties. And through bilateral technology transfer joint workforce or joint task force, we will conduct multidimensional online and offline technology transfer activities to meet the demand in an accurate fashion and to pull high-end innovation resources to build platforms and for accelerated technology transfer between two countries. Thirdly, we will continue to improve international relations between the two countries and improve people-to-people exchange. We will continue to encourage Thailand talents to come to China and ASEAN young talents come to China and work. And also we will continue to host the Technology Manager Training International sessions. We welcome more young talents and technical talents from Thailand to China to conduct short-term technology training sessions. And we want to promote people-to-people exchange and building a shared future together. And based on the technology status quo of both countries, we will host technology groups to make breakthroughs in different difficult technologies in order to provide technology and intelligent support to the development of the two countries. We will work together for future development, and I hope that we can join hands to create a promising future for technology collaborations between China and Thailand. Lastly, I wish the 2021 Thailand STI Higher Education Day a full success. Thank you all.